Hey guys, and welcome to another 5 minutes tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the HUD system in Unreal, and we're going to look at drawing some stuff on the screen, basically on the viewport, using widgets and proper HUDs. You can use event draw HUDs, event draw in the third person character blueprint directly, or you could use print to print rudimentary strings or the values of floats and integers. But this is the way you should be doing it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the project we set up, and I'm going to right click and go to bottom, and we're going to scroll down to user interface widget blueprint, and I'm just going to call that HUD, HUD. Nice and simple, and double click on that and bring it up. Okay, now we can see that this pane here is what they call the canvas. This is actually the viewport or the screen area. And so the first thing we want to do really is scroll down and find a vertical box, which is there, and we place things inside boxes just for sake of making them a bit tidier. I'm going to pull that out a bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop text into the box, and that brings it straight into there. I'll go back to the box itself, the vertical box. I'm just going to set the anchor position as well to left, so that it's always pretty much in line. Yep, that'll do. That's absolutely fine. Okay, and that's it. And that's all we need to do for that. Okay, so that's all we have to do for that. Let's just add a little picture as well, some sort of. Actually, no, that'll be enough. All we're going to do is just display this text block. We can put other things inside the vertical box, and we can put other stuff on the canvas. But for now, this just demonstrates the point quite nicely. So we're just going to compile, save, and I'm going to nip over to my third person character into the blueprint, which I already had open, but there you go. Okay, so then I'm just going to go event begin play. There we go. And I'm going to drag off that, create widget. Sorry, I have to bear with my bad spelling. Create widget, and in there, if I just zoom in, you can see the class there. Now we're going to select the HUD we just made, and that's going to actually create the HUD on screen in the viewport. Now we need to bring this off, and we need to get player controller. Player controller. And then off of the return value, I'm just going to add to viewport. So we're saying we're getting the player controller, we're creating a HUD, and we're adding it to the viewport of the player controller, and that's simply it. So let's comment that again. Don't forget to comment your stuff. So draw HUD, compile, save. Now when we go back in, if you remember with our character before, we have the two different cameras. So we've got first and second face cam and the third person cam. I'm just going to play that to demonstrate. See, that text block is there nicely, and it follows the camera around. And then when I zoom out to third person, it's still there. So you can see that that has many uses. We can use that for drawing a HUD all the time, or we can even use it to display notes, or something like, I don't know, we use the same thing for menu system and that in a later video. Okay, so that's it for this 5-minute tutorial. The next one we're going to be working on a health system, and we're going to tag that into this HUD, and we're going to actually have a progressive health bar, so it goes down as your health goes down and increases as you pick up health. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.